Hi there, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and this is the Eva Tote from Jessica Simpson. This style is made out of a glossy polyurethane material. You got a great texture as well as a nice relaxed feature. It also has a removable fun tassel for an added style, along with that logo there. Up top features two carrying handles along with a detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, so you have a hands-free option. Now the front features two exterior zip pockets. What you don't know though is that the back one goes all the way down right in front of this pocket. So you have tons of room here and meant for your smaller accessories there. The back also features another exterior zip pocket, so you got tons of places to stow your items. The bag opens up with a top zip closure. You have a generous interior, nice and roomy, and features a lining made of polyester in this fun print, as well as a key hook, a back wall zip pocket, and two slip pockets along that opposite side. Get your hands on this phenomenal style today. It's by Jessica Simpson.